I was thinking the other day, why is it that people always give up before they've reached their destination? Be it a goal or just anything they've set out to achieve. And why is it that some people can never be consistent in the race to achieving the goal? I realized that one of the biggest contributors is them moving outside of their nature. Let me explain. You see, all of us have different qualities, different gifts. That specific gift or quality that makes you you. And whenever you perform, there's an adrenaline rush going through your system, giving you 100% fulfillment in the moment. Did you ever feel like whenever you do something or whenever you perform something, that this is what you want to do for the rest of your life? You get a sense of fulfillment whenever you do this particular task. You even telling yourself, if I can only do this for the rest of my life, I'll be the happiest person one can be. That is what they call moving inside of your nature. Looking at it from my life, whenever I sit behind the piano, whether I'm playing for a crowd or wherever I'm performing, I capture the audience. I capture the crowd. And whatever I'm feeling in that moment is being transferred through my playing. They feel the truthfulness behind it because I'm moving within my nature. I've aligned myself with my true nature, and it gives me a sense of fulfillment. Same with whenever I create my podcast. I get this level of fulfillment because now you're able to serve people. You're able to help other people. It's like you becoming less now, less of me, so that they can become more. And the best part of doing this is when you look at your inbox, you get responses like, "Thank you, this is all I needed. Thank you for this. I just needed to hear this." And that is exactly the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. To give someone that little bit of hope and to assure them that your current situation does not determine your tomorrow. No matter what you're going through, you can still get out of it. You only need that little bit of hope. I mentioned this in one of my other podcasts as well, where I talked about fulfillment. And the dictionary described it as the achievement of something desired. You see, when you start moving within your nature, you are achieving that of which you have desired. But for some, they are so busy with everything else that they are completely moving outside of their nature, causing inconsistencies, misery, envy, and everything negative. You got to start moving within your nature so that you can get the fulfillment that you need. Stop doing what everyone else is doing. It's not going to bring you fulfillment. Start doing what you want to do. That thing that gives you fulfillment. That thing that satisfies you. Start moving within your nature, and you will get the fulfillment that